In this video we will discuss about another hydrological model, CROPWAT. The CROPWAT is a decision making tools for agriculture water. This model was introduced by Food Agriculture Organization for the first time in 1980. With the help of this model, we can find out the crop water requirement, the irrigation scheduling, as well as the type of irrigation, as well as about the designing of irrigation system structure. So now which how this model works. Let's suppose we have, this is a field, we have wheat crop in this field, so to find out the water requirement of wheat crop, how much water it required in the growing season, which type of data we need here. So to find out the irrigation schedule, how many days, after how many days the irrigation is required. It may, some crop need after 10 days, some crop need after 5 days. So and we can find out irrigation scheduling with the help of this model. With the help of this model we can find out drought. In some area we have the shortage of water, so this model improve the water shortage, that how to save the water from losses. Type of irrigation, which type of irrigation we need in this area. Now data, which type of data we need for this model. So the data needed for this model, climatic data. In the climatic data we need temperature, rainfall, relative humidity, and wind speed. This is climatic data. The climate, when this data, if you have this type of data, we can find out the crop water requirement per wheat crop. The second data we needed, which is required, crop data. So in crop data we required a type of crop, stages of crop growth, stages, the growing, the duration, total duration of crop, So this is the crop data which is required. The last one is the root depth. Different crop have different root depth. Now the third data which is required is soil data. In soil data we need type of soil. Which soil we have? We have sandy soil, clay soil, loamy soil. So we need the type of soil. We need the soil properties like field capacity, wilting point, permanent wilting point, available water. So we need this soil properties. The other data which is required here. So the other data which is required here, type of irrigation. Type of irrigation. Which type of irrigation we need? It is a surface. It is surface irrigation, sprinkle, or drip irrigation. The last data which is required for this model is a type of land. Type of land. Which type of land we have? We have bare land, agricultural land, forest land. So in type of land we need the topography of land, area of field which we want to irrigate. For if the discharge of water given to the particular area. So if all these information if all these information available, we can find out the crop water requirement of this field. The crop water requirement will be in a millimeter per day. Let's suppose we have some crop need 250 millimeter, 100 millimeter per day. So with the help of this model, we can find out the water requirement in millimeter per day, as well as in millimeter per month, in millimeter per year. Then by using conversion factor, we can find easily by converging the data. So if this all about the CROPWAT. If you have any question about the CROPWAT, so I will be available to how to do work on this model. First of all, you should have CROPWAT in your computer, install in your computer from internet, and then after the installation you should have all this data. When we put all the data inside this model, it will give us crop water required. The other thing which it can be calculated, which is called ETC, crop evapotranspiration. So to find out the crop evapotranspiration, we will multiply Kc with Et naught. When the Et naught will be calculated by the model, and the ETC you per each crop we have the ETC value and FAO manual, in FAO book which is called FAO manual. So from this FAO manual, we take the constant Kc value, and then the constant Kc value as multiplied by with Et naught. So when we multiply these two factor, we can get a crop water ETC, evapotranspiration. So with the help of this model, we can also find out evapotranspiration. So if you have any question, then you can do in comment section. Thank you.